Science video. Here is a list of temperatures in degrees Celsius. From the list, write down the lowest temperature. Now clearly the lowest temperature is going to be a negative number over here. So you have -2, you have -13, and you've also have -8. Now the smallest negative number over here is going to be -13 degrees Celsius. Question number 2, it says write 3.5 hours in minutes. Now what we need to do is let's convert this into a improper fraction or a top-heavy fraction. So 3, the whole number times by the denominator, add on the numerator, all over, that'll be all over 2, that'll be 3 times 2 is 6, add the 1 which is going to be 7, that would work out to be 7 over 2, so that's 7 over 2 hours. And what we're going to do, we're going to multiply that by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour, so therefore 7 over 2 multiplied by 60. To make our life a little bit easier, we can divide by 2 over here. I could divide by 2 over here as well. And then what you'll be left with over here, that will be a 1, that will be a 30. And then you end up getting 7 times 30, which will give you a final answer of 210 minutes. Because 7 times 3 is 21. Add on the 0, so that's 210 minutes. Okay, question number 3, it says find the cube of 4. Well, the cube of 4 is simply written like this, 4 cubed, like that. And it's also, what it means is 4 multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4, I did say 16, not sure why I wrote 40. I need to further, I need to continue with that. 4 times 4 is 16, multiply that by 4, and overall you get an answer of 64. Let me just write that down over here, which works out to be an answer of 64. Let's write that down. And then over here, question number 4, it says write down a factor of a 24 that is an odd number. Well, these are the possibilities you can get. So you can get 1 times 24, you can get 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, and 4 multiplied by 6. But the emphasis over here is actually asking you for a odd number from this list. So we're looking for an odd number. So the only odd numbers are either going to be the 1 or the 3, so either one. So on this occasion, I'm just going to write down 3. And finally, question number 5, write down the value of the 6 in the number of 2.165. And with regards to that, we're looking at the hundredths over there. So essentially, that could be 600 there. So 6 over 100, or alternatively, you could just write it down as 0.06. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.